Hey YouTube, what is up? Good afternoon. It is 12 o'clock on Friday the 28th. The 28th, yes. I have no idea if the camera is actually on my face. I'm sorry, I'm using my phone right now. My camera battery is currently charging and I only have one and I need to buy another one, but I don't know. I never learn is what. So right now I'm actually looking crazy as hell, looking like Celie who did it and why. But that's because I'm going to be recording and I'm going to try to fit my hair under a very small wig that I'm going to show you guys in a second. But right now I'm making, oh wait, this is upside down. But I'm currently making a DIY sugar wax recipe, which I feel like I'm always doing when I vlog. I don't know how that happens, but yeah. So yeah, I'll show you guys the wig when I'm done. But today I'm going to be obviously recording, like I said. I might be able to edit some, but I don't know, because my cousin slash should have been my sister slash best friend in the whole wide world, besides like my best friend is here from DC. She goes to school at Howard. She goes to law school at Howard. Okay, Lawyer Bay. But she's here for the weekend for a very short period of time, really just to run some errands. But we're gonna hang out with my best friend. So it's gonna be the three of us. My best friend Kiana, who you guys saw on my New Orleans vlog. If you haven't seen that, go check out my New Orleans vlog, okay? Because it's lit. Yeah, we're gonna go downtown Fort Lauderdale, that is, and enjoy some happy hour festivities. And yeah, and then my boyfriend is coming back into town. He went to Costa Rica. I'm super duper jealous and hurt, but you know, it's fine. I had my vacation. It wasn't Costa Rica, but you know, it was fun or whatever. I might be picking him up from the airport. I don't know. He gets here at around 5:30 and we're going to happy hour like 4 probably. So I don't know, but the airport is downtown, so I might be able to, you know, still pick him up. But that's if I'm not too lit off the happy hour drinks. But I don't like to get like drunk. I don't know. It's just, oh, is this Golding? Wait a minute. Yeah, so hopefully I'm able to pick him up because I've missed him so much. I've missed him so dearly. He's only been gone since Monday, but I really haven't seen him since Saturday. A week is a very long time, okay? It's a long time. I miss him so much. But yeah, so that's what I'm doing for the day. So I'm going to focus on this sugar wax recipe, and I will catch up with you guys in a bit when I'm done. All right. Oh guys, tell me why my sugar wax, my DIY sugar wax failed. Like, it literally failed. I think it's too hot in my house. Oh my gosh, my hair. I think it's too hot in my house, so the wax just kept melting. Every time I kept trying to like knead it into, you know, a ball, it wouldn't. It just kept sticking to my fingers and ended up wasting an entire batch of sugar wax. So I was able to get like this tiny little ball, and I was hoping that maybe I could get some more. So now the area that I was Brazilian waxing, or sugar waxing I should say, is patchy. Okay, I am patchy the mother freaking pirate right now, and I cannot. I mean, it doesn't matter, no one's gonna see it, right? But I don't have the time right now. Like, I'm kind of on a time constraint. I need to record this video. I just wanted to get the little Brazilian waxing done, but now I'm patchy, and I'm gonna try it again, but I have to record this video. I have to record it so that if I have time I can edit it and send it over to these people. This has never happened. I mean, this is my 3rd or 4th time DIY sugar waxing, and this has never happened. My house is always this hot, so I don't understand. Next time I'm gonna try to knead it under the fan or turn the AC on or something. I have to do something because it's just way too hot, and I don't have time to be wasting ingredients like that. Of course, my dog wants to sit right where I'm about to record. That's not your spot. Your bed is over there. Excuse my room. It's a mess. It's always a mess. I just have too many things. And my room is small. This house is small. This is too much. Yeah, guys, I just want to share that with you guys. But let me start getting ready to record. Oof. Ooh, child. Let me just show you guys what my hair is looking like right now. Ooh, why does it feel like this? It didn't feel like this yesterday. I blew my hair out yesterday so that I could trim it and braid it down for this wig. Oh yeah, I was supposed to show you guys the wig that I'm gonna try to fit all this hair under. All right, hold on. So here's my hair. All right, so here's my hair. As you can see, there's a lot of it. I'm sure you guys know already. I've been on YouTube for 2 years. You should know by now that I have a lot. I have lots and lots of hair. Lots and lots of hair. I've been watching too much Game of Thrones, and now I think I can speak in a British accent. And here is this very tiny wig that my hair is gonna go under. Can you imagine? This is gonna be so much fun. Not really. It's pretty customized. That part might need some plucking though. It's fine, it's fine, it's fine. You know, I don't have time, but it's fine. We're gonna figure it out. I'm not gonna panic or anything. If it doesn't work, I'll just wear my hair out like this in the humidity. It's just gonna shrink. And what a great time to be Jonell. Let me get to this video, guys. Okay, bye. Taking over for the 99 at 2000. That's Jonell, guys.
Hi, guys.
I don't remember if she's ever been in a vlog before, but if she hasn't, then here she is. This is my outfit of the day that you guys have already seen before if you've been following me for a long time. But that video is literally like a year old. And yeah. This is her outfit of the day.
Outfit.
Where's your dress or romper from, actually?
Charlotte Russe for the Lolo.
Where are your shoes from? I like them shoes. Where are they from?
An exquisite place. I'm not telling the I got it as a gift from my mom, actually. She just gave it to me as a gift.
That's all you had to say. My hat is from Stolen, actually. It's actually stolen. I think I stole this from a friend in Tallahassee, but I have no idea where I got this hat from, actually. No idea. This dress is also, I don't know where any of this is from. This is also old. I want to say, oh, this is from Wet Seal. I haven't shopped there in a while. And these shoes are from Old Navy. The only thing I could ever buy from Old Navy were shoes and accessories, because their clothes are not cute. Okay. Not on me anyways. Ah, yes. Update on the hair. I got it to fit over my big old blown out hair. And I don't like the part, so that's why I have this hat on. Because it's just, there really is not a part right now. And yeah, but I like it. I like it. Let's see what's going on around the house. Where's my dog? Bella, where are you? Hey, it's dark in here. You want to hang out with me and Jonell? No? Fine. Be like that. Yes!
You would not believe what just happened right now. I want to show you, but I also don't want to wait for you to get here.
What happened? What is that?
It's the girl is not. I was like,
man. So guys, we are going to this place called Hamarshi. I believe it is downtown. Let me just double check where exactly it is, because I do not know. Yep, it's downtown, and it's a 38-minute drive. Dear God, all these accidents, how annoying. It's gonna take us forever to get there because there's accidents on the way. It's also about to be rush hour, so it's not about to be a fun time driving. It's not. It's really not. But I look cute right now. I'm wearing NARS foundation and the coverage is nice.
Alright, Jonell.
Yes.
Is this it?
Is what it?
My hair? Do you think I should leave it?
Yes,
How do
it
these
looks.
edges look? Does
They
it
look
feel
good. Yeah,
Okay.
they look good.
I wasn't sure if it was like the most.
No,
Yeah.
they look good.
Perfect. And also, do you think I should switch my shoes to these? Because I wasn't planning on wearing the ones that I'm currently wearing, but I might. I thought these were to where we're going.
I like those
These?
a lot. Yeah.
My mom got them from Walgreens for $2. They're like beach shoes.
Really? Well, I wouldn't be able to tell.
So you think they look cute and better than this would look?
Yes.
Okay.
That's just a little bit
much?
formal. Yeah.
Okay.
So she got the shoes from Walgreens for $2. You gotta let the people know that you can get shoes from Walgreens for $2. Like, I didn't even know that. That's crazy. They're actually cute, guys. Don't be ashamed. We all love a good sale, a good bargain. But I'm starving, guys. I'm so hungry. My battery's gonna die. The rest of this vlog is probably gonna be on my phone because I'm not carrying this with me. And I do not have a vlog camera, so. This is honestly the best I've ever looked on a vlog. I always look a hot mess. Not today. Yeah, I'll catch up with you guys later. Yes, Chanel.
But her situation makes me feel like a goddess.
Yes.
No, honestly.
That is my mango shea butter.
It's amazing.
My shamango butter mix.
You really put mangoes in it?
No, it's mango butter. Yeah.
I'm supposed to be vlogging today too.
Yeah. I've been not doing a very good job, but I'm gonna try to get some things.
We can go be children and go look at her.
Best friend. Hey. Chanel again. Hey. And I'm behind the camera because, you know, this is not where we're going, y'all. We're being nosy. Anybody from Broward knows that this is the field trip. This is the field trip to be on. If you ain't been here, you ain't from Broward for real. So cool. Great gravity. Oh, it tells you how it works. Oh, there goes the ball. Let me play with that ball. This is a lot of fun. You got it, bruh. Come on, bruh. You got it, bruh. Don't let that yellow touch up to you. Oh, it's not. We acting like we ain't never seen this, and we probably seen this a million times before.
I'm trying to show y'all though. This is where I live.
Yeah.
Y'all come to vacation. I live here.
Broward, home of Kodak, home of XXX Tentacion, home of Ski Master Slump God, home of that's all I can think of right now. Making my way downtown, walking fast. We ain't really walking fast.
I want like a dude in my life to just buy one for me. I feel you, but I just bought this one because I was like,
Probably should have ate a real meal today, because now I'm about to eat snacks and appetizers.
They got quesadillas. That sounds good.
How much? So we got buffalo blue cheese, some kind of dip, buffalo and cheese and chicken. And we got brisket nachos or something, I don't know, some crazy nachos. It's huge. A blue moon, a grapefruit mojito, which is really good. This is what Kiana got. And Chanel forgot her ID. So we're gonna try to smuggle her a drink at some point, but she don't tell nobody. Alright, so guys, so here's the verdict. That's pretty good. That's pretty good. That's really good. That is not it, chief. That is not good. It's like a goat cheese quesadilla. Not good. Unless you like goat cheese, then you might like it. But I guess I don't like goat cheese. And her drink is really good. I had a sip. It's beer. So
I need a re-up.
can I get a read? So guys, it is 1:25 in the morning. I ended up picking my boyfriend up from the airport. So we all, me, my cousin, my boyfriend, my best friend, and her boyfriend all hung out we just hung out. I don't feel like getting into all that, but like, yeah, we all just ended up hanging out for a few hours. Yeah, we couldn't really do much else because Chanel didn't have her ID. So yeah, but yeah, I'm just uploading a video right now. I have a bunch of sponsored videos coming out, so that means next week I need to be putting out like a whole bunch of non-sponsored content so that it's not like back-to-back sponsored vids. It wasn't supposed to happen like this, but my schedule got messed up and I just got backed up, and yeah, so there's gonna be a lot of sponsored videos next week, but there won't be a lot after that. So it's just, they all happen to fall on the same week. But I'm really tired. I'm waiting for this to upload and then send it to the company, and then I'm just gonna go to bed. Tomorrow, I don't know what I'm doing tomorrow yet. We'll see. I'll talk to you guys later. Bye.